Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Mendoza. It is Thursday, May 21st. We have a Reading Nook challenge, and I've been getting a lot of videos about how you read and how you find a safe and amazing spot in your household that you can just pleasurably read. This is another cool one. So, if you have any of those Dollarama solar paneled little lights, you can create little structures and use them during nighttime or maybe during the evening to wrap around, and you have little twinkly lights. I plan to make one of these the next few days. We are going to continue with our synchronous learning today. I'm super pumped. It's from 2 to 3, and again, just make sure that you're ready to go, and I can't wait to see you. In math, we're going to continue with the probability Jamboard. It's a big hit, and then some of you are really enjoying it, so that's awesome. And for reading and writing, again, we'll continue with those amazing books, and I can't wait to see your own library that some of you have created, to be very customized, making it your own. That's super awesome. And then writing some really cool stuff about science, and I cannot wait to see more videos today. So for the hidden meanings, we have puzzles. These are the answers to it. A cut above the rest, the wrong end of the stick, sideshow, and tickled pink. And I want to give a big shout out to these amazing people, like sending me some pictures of them doing the experiment. Skyla's was pretty amazing. Maddie and I did it. It's on Twitter. Really cool stuff. Haley got really messy with the stuff that she made, but pretty cool. Arwa explaining how light travels, and Jackson doing something pretty cool. I think I'm gonna try it. I didn't get a chance to do it today, but very simple little thing from creating these bubbles through a simple little experiment. So that was really cool, and I love the videographer that was doing it, giving some commentary. So thank you very much, and I love seeing those experiments. So keep them coming. We have a lot of stuff for today, but I think that you were able to do them really quickly. Just for you, there's probability coding games using Scratch today. So after you're done the form, please have fun and play that. The click here part for the probability is something that Miss De Prospero created, and it has to do with how likely something is. And there is a little video again, so make sure that you are watching that first. I love again the 0 to 1. So certain is 1 or 100%. 0 is 0%. So we're going to go back. So we did an awesome job yesterday from impossible and certain. And we're going to go try to see if we can regroup and try to do it again in terms of looking at using the words unlikely, equally likely, and likely. So you have, I believe, 10 questions. So read them very carefully. Okay. And I have some questions from yesterday that was pretty cool, and some quizzes. So some of you just did a few quizzes yesterday, but here's some other ones here that you can play. So choose one or play one. Okay. And moving on, we have our reading again. Those customized libraries or reading nooks that you've created. That's great. Our top 5 readers: Katolia, 1.7 hours of reading yesterday. That was amazing. Kopika, 1 hour on Epic. Josh is in there too. Kirat, Noor, and Umar. Again, you want to get at least to 20. So that is the minimum that I think that you should be doing in terms of reading every day, especially if you're doing Epic. And for writing, quite simple. We have for the grade 4s, you have altering light. So we're going to talk about bend, bounce, and absorb. In other words, you have reflection, refraction, and absorbing. So just go through that and read that very carefully. And let's just put my little name there. And when you click to the next section, you'll get an opportunity to watch a summary video, which is pretty cool. And there's a quizzes right here that I want you to click on. And there's some really amazing games about altering light. So enjoy those. There's about 6 of them and have fun. For grade fives, you are doing water changing states. So there are 6 different changes of state with regards to water. So we're look again. We have changes states of matter. We have solid, liquid, and gas. We're gonna look a little bit more deeper in terms of the states of change with water, and there's freezing, melting, deposition. So again, there's a little bit of a description there for you. Condensation, sublimation, evaporation. And here's what I want you to do. So read them very, very, very carefully. Okay. And maybe you won't get we won't understand every single piece of it, but certainly exposure to it's good. And some of them you're like, Mr. Mendoza, I get it. Freezing, I get it. Melting, I get it. But deposition and sublimation, I don't quite get. But it does happen when it changes, it skips a certain state. That's what happens. So again, we're just make sure you're reading it carefully and do your best to understand them. And if you have any questions, just let me know. So here's pretty cool. So there's 18 water tricks in here. So if you watch this video, again, it's pretty cool. So if you want to do the experiment, you can. Just make sure you work with an adult, and you're gonna choose one. So I'm hoping out of the 18, you'll be able to choose one that has to do with one of these. Did the water freeze? Did the water melt? Did the water evaporate? Did the water condense? Did it de- depositioned or sublimation? So those you're gonna explain which one of these water experiments shows a state change in state and describe what the experiment was, what happened, and what state of water would it represent. So one of these. So there's 18 of them. Choose the one that would best reflect the 6 things that you're learning for today. Okay. All right. Have fun with that. And we have a few more things for optional activities. Scribbles part 2. Pretty cool. A math is Guaca-math today. Hidden meanings, we have more. And French with Madame and music with Miss Atchison today. For exit ticket, it's gonna look something like this. Let me just click on it really quickly. Actually, it's right here. There's the scale of emojis. We have which part, what is one thing you learned that was fun from today's task boards? I want to know what's the fun part of what today that you did today. And if you haven't yet, play this game called Don't, okay? So we have Jackson and Landon, and again, it's only 2 of them, but I think that you can do it. You have to learn how to bottle flip. If you see Jackson's, it really goes down to the wire, and I hope that you get to watch it a few times because it's such a I can't tell you what happens, but it's such a cool video. And thank you, Jackson, for persevering for sure. Okay, that is everything for today. Have a great Thursday. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I'll be here all day. Take care, and I'll see you at 2 o'clock.